Right, so let me get into it. Unboxing the Xbox Series S. Bam. Okay guys, so I'm under the knife here. First thing I want to do is basically turn this around. Alright, so this is the back of it here. As you can see, power your dreams. One of the main reasons why I switched this here from PS to Xbox is because of Xbox Game Pass, but we will get into that more in the later part of the video. And so it have a tab right here. Bam. Tab here. Now I would normally peel it up, but I wouldn't advise that to peel it up on the Xbox Series S because it actually damages the box. Right, so it's a one more tab right here. And so you get a little box knife, or your knife, flip it back over again, get us back into frame, and yeah, so you can raise it up here now. Right, so this is how it's gonna look when you first open it. Power your dreams, the Xbox right in front there, and this is a very small console compared to like a PS5 or even to some of the previous generation consoles. It's not that much bigger than a Switch. Remember, take it out of this package here. Xbox Series S. I'm so excited, to be honest. I actually ordered this on Amazon to Trinidad. I don't know how much all I actually know that I live in Trinidad, but yeah. Right, so we're getting to the back. As all you could see, I have to pay attention to this. It don't have no audio ports. Right, so this is where your heat will be coming out, and it will be taking in cool air from on this side and on the side. Right, so that is it. I find it look real good. I put one up here, put that to the side, begin this manual here. Get them started. 1, 2, 3. My advice is to download the Xbox app on your phone and you'll be able to get set up faster. Right, so your power cord, put that to the side, plug them and file them. You know how this go. Your HDMI 2.2. No, this is not 2.1 because the game itself cannot do 4K at 120 Hz. It could do 4K at 60 Hz. So if you want 4K at 120 Hz, or you actually have that TV to do 4K at 120 Hz, you have to buy the Xbox Series X. But to be honest, I find that's how some money right now, due to the scalper prices and inflation and so forth. Right, so you'll be getting batteries. This is the batteries that come with it. My advice is to get the rechargeable batteries. I don't have any right now, but I'll be the better batteries to get this to the last one. To the side. And this is the controller here. And again with it. Straight to the point. Right. This controller is sexy. Take a look at this. Right, and this is actually my first time using Xbox, so hopefully it's a good experience. One of the main reasons why I bought this is basically to play next gen FIFA, and this was the cheapest way to do it. Alright guys, so that is it for the first part of this video. Now we will do the setup and getting things running. Right, so this is my current setup at the moment on the Xbox Series S. So far so good. FIFA has been great, and one of the main reasons why I bought this too as well was to play FIFA. but also Xbox Game Pass is excellent as well. For the first month, they're giving it for just $1, and you have access to over 100 games. So you see how it's saying Xbox Game Pass in the corner there, and it's saying over 100 games in this selection. So this is the games that you have available there on day one, and I think this is what makes this console a steal of value. Only $300, really good graphics. Well, right now I'm using it on a 1080p monitor, so I had to upgrade my monitor, but so far so good. I thought I would not be able to get games online, knowing that persons may not have the Xbox version of FIFA 22, but I've been getting games easily. So apparently Xbox actually have a bigger following than I thought. So this is basically the video here. This is my setup, and if you all want to see me playing FIFA 22, just leave a like and comment down below, because I'm thinking about doing a gaming channel with FIFA. So everybody who watching this video might be interested in FIFA. Yeah, so I'm thinking about doing a gaming channel and showing all some of my skills and giving all some tutorials and things. It would be nice. Kinda late to start FIFA, but still. Alright, so I'm gonna just get a sneak peek of what FIFA actually looks like on the Xbox Series S, and we will call it for the video there. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel, as you can see below. And yeah, continue to support as some more videos coming in, and I just want to be able to put forward better and better content.